Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Klinsmann K185 Robot Vacuum and Mop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Klinsmann K185 Robot Vacuum and Mop with 1800 PA suction can pick up dust, crumbs, and dirt. Multiple cleaning modes ensure an effortless, thorough clean. Also, you can choose suction power for max or normal in-app. Ideal for hard floors to medium pile carpets. Anti-drop sensor to avoid the robotic vacuum falling downstairs. Anti-collision sensor to protect your household items from scratches. Path planning. Self-charging design. The robot vacuum will stop working and find dock station automatically when battery power is low, so it is always ready to clean. Wi-Fi connectivity, app and remote direct control. Set schedule clean time from the app, or choose a clean mode at one touch by using remote. 2600 mAh capacity battery supports your robot cleans up to 80 to 110 minutes per charger, let you enjoy the relaxing time at home. This robot is compatible with Alexa. Klinsmann K185 Robot Vacuum and Mop with mop function, dustbin, and water tank integrated design with intelligent water pump. Users can adjust the water flow through the app setting button. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.